If you have a product that is suddenly doing really well, you need to listen to this entire video because sales velocity suspensions are going up. Okay, so first, what is a sales velocity suspension? Amazon has algorithms that monitor the sales of products, and if your product suddenly takes off faster than Amazon's algorithm expects, that will spit out a report. These people are people just like this in India, get those reports and review the reports, and I met these people, dozens of these people, and then they make decisions as to whether or not to suspend your listing or even suspend your account. So the bad news is sales velocity suspensions are up, and I don't see any reason for it, but I can see it from the cases that are coming in. I can see it from you sellers that are calling me and emailing me and texting me and submitting your cases online. Sales velocity suspensions are suddenly going up, but you also now are empowered to be prepared for it by one, having your sourcing documents at the ready, scanned in, ready to go out the door with a great plan of action. Number two, you have downloaded our book, The Amazon Seller's Guide to Suspensions and Reinstatements, and therefore you know how to write a killer plan of action like my team writes killer plans of action. And number three, you're going to keep your cool and respond as quickly as possible. So the bad news is these types of suspensions are up. The good news is that they're usually not fatal to your business. It's just a bump in the road. If you want to talk about any issue pertaining to your Amazon-based business, your Amazon-based brand, contact me in any one of these 4 ways, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.